Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can permanently delete your 23andMe account in 2025. So if you are done with DNA testing and you want to remove your data, here is what you need to do exactly. First of all, you need to come at 23andme.com. Here you need to click on the sign in option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Provide your sign in credentials and simply log in into your account. Then you need to click on your profile icon that would be in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you need to go to your settings. In your account settings, you need to scroll down to the option that says delete your account or the closure account. So you need to click on that and follow further instructions in order to successfully delete your account. Now if you face any kind of problem while closing your account, you can simply come on this page. You can find their email address and you can contact them you can contact the customer support team, and you can tell them that you want to remove your account or delete your account, and they are going to help you in this regard. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.